hit fall medicine or trauma medicine. Die Da Jiao. Sorry, my Mandarin isn't that great. Probably not the right tones there. But you'll see it as Die Da Jiao, Dit Da Jow, Die Da Jiao, Die Da San, Die Da Wan. Basically, Die Da, hit fall or trauma. Trauma Jiao, which could be a poultice or a plaster, which you put on topically. Die Da Wan, trauma pill, which you would take internally. Die Da San, a trauma powder, which you could either take internally or use topically. Hit fall medicine is common in martial arts schools all throughout China. Common herbs show up amongst many different formulas. Some that I wrote about on the blog for this particular topic are Sanqi, Honghua, Xiang, and Mo Yao. Xiang and Mo Yao, commonly known as frankincense and myrrh, are resins, saps from trees, and what they tend to do in the body has a lot to do with breaking up what we call blood stasis. So they get into all the nooks and crannies in the joints, in the connective tissue. They help improve circulation and they help resolve stagnant blood left over from old injuries from a Chinese medicine perspective. Sanqi and Honghua help to invigorate the blood, and they improve circulation, help with pain. A common way to make Dit Da Jiao or Dit Da Jow, hit fall wine, is creating a powder of the herbs that you want for your formula and then covering them in alcohol and letting it sit for anywhere from a few months to a few years. This particular one that I made recently has about 10 different herbs in it, and I put it in whiskey. So I'll let this sit for a while and then strain it out and use it. It's really helpful to put on the skin and then massage in to the sore areas. So say you've got a swollen elbow, skateboarding, you fall, you got a swollen elbow. You're gonna take a handful of this, put it on, and really rub it in good, and work through that swelling, work through that bruising, and really drive it deep into the skin. You wanna do this not over open wounds with the alcohol, because that's not gonna feel good. But you wanna do this several times to help resolve what we would call blood stasis. It'll help the bruising go away quicker. It'll help circulation stay good. It'll help improve circulation, and it'll just help the injury resolve a bit faster. So it's really helpful to have on hand for martial artists, skateboarders, athletes, anyone that's prone to injuries. So you can check out the full article on the blog where we'll break down the different herbs, 4 common herbs that you're gonna see in different trauma formulations. And there's also a link at the bottom for a good place that you can buy some pre-made trauma formulas. Check it out, let me know what you think. Feel free to leave questions, comments, shoot me a DM if you need any clarification on anything or want some guidance. Happy to help.